अस्सलाम वालेकुम जी। इस वक्त हम रावलपिंडी क्रिकेट स्टेडियम में मौजूद हैं और यहाँ पर 24 साल बाद ऑस्ट्रेलियन टीम रावलपिंडी स्टेडियम में मौजूद है। शायकीन की एक बहुत बड़ी तादाद यहाँ पर मौजूद है। आप देख सकते हैं मेरे अक़ब में मनाजिर।
What did you say about today's match? How was it?
Yeah, it was more of the same from yesterday. I think we have to. It's all about tomorrow.
What would you think that who will won the match?
I'll tell you after tomorrow. We got to see how we bat on this pitch.
And what would you say about the hospitality of Pakistan?
Oh, it's been very nice so far. Very friendly. Very happy to be here. It's all been good things so far.
And what would you say about the security?
Very secure, especially the barbed wire everywhere that tries to snag your shirts.
This man is also. What would you say about match and the security here in Pakistan?
You get this one, okay. So far so good. We've had a great time. Feel very safe. Hopefully we can get some more
Are
runs.
you satisfied with the security?
Yes, yeah, it's good.
And what about hospitality of Pakistani people?
Yeah, so far so good. So.